This is Hallstatt, not just a town, but a place where time stands still, where nature and humanity blend in perfect harmony. Hallstatt's history dates back over 7,000 years. Nestled in these mountains lies one of the world's oldest salt mines. In a time when salt was known as white gold, Hallstatt was a center of wealth and culture. Today, Hallstatt stands as a perfect union of nature and history. The stillness of the lake and the majesty of the mountains make it a unique escape for travelers from all over the world. Every step in Hallstatt connects you to its soul. Quaint houses, narrow streets, and mystical churches reflect the cultural heritage and deep connection to nature that thrives here. And as the sun sets, Hallstatt's magic pulls you in. This is not just a place, it's a state of mind, a story that will stay with you. To discover more of Hallstatt's magic, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.